Hello guys, I hope you are all doing really well. Today I'm going to be talking about the #1 way to blow up your channel, and it's just such a great way of thinking about being a YouTube content creator. Because even if you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel, you're already a YouTuber in my books. I'm literally always telling my friends to start a YouTube channel. They're like, alright, we get it, okay. You might think that, oh, I can't offer anything, I don't know anything. Yes, you do. Your specific circumstances and your specific set of experiences and knowledge and your own personal opinion matters, and there's always going to be someone out there that is looking specifically for you. You are probably going through or have gone through something that another person has gone through, and it's just literally the best feeling ever when you make a YouTube video and someone messages you, listen, you've really truly have helped me, have inspired me. So let me tell you about the #1 reason, and I have already told you guys about this in this video. It's about providing value. Now I know that this is something that isn't new. Everyone talks about it. You hear Gary Vee talk about it. You hear all of the YouTube content creators, they talk about it. But I have one specific thing that I have not heard any person talk about, and this is something that personally has helped me. And it ties into what I've been talking about. Throw out niches for a second. This can be about absolutely any single topic. Think about the time where you solved a problem specifically to do with your life. It could be anything ranging from finding a job to, putting your hair in a bun. What were the specific steps that you took to make that thing happen, or to achieve that thing, or to succeed in whatever it is that you were striving for? Anyone can just Google how to get a job or how to lose weight. Okay, so we're gonna be using the weight loss analogy because one of my videos blew up and I got thousands of you beautiful people joining my channel, so I wanna take a quick thank you, gratitude moment. Thank you guys so much for watching me. Now let's continue. And I know why that video blew up. Anyone can just Google how to lose weight. The service that I provide for you is sharing my specific journey that someone, or hundreds, and in my case hundreds of thousands of people could relate to, right? So I shared my journey first, and then if you guys have noticed, I didn't talk about the really cliche ways of, losing weight. I mean, by all means, if that's something that actually did truly help you, use that. Oh my God, go ahead. I mean, you don't want to misinform anyone or offend anyone, but no matter how controversial it wasn't really controversial, just unpopular opinion about me stepping up on my scales, because it's like such a trendy topic right now to be like, oh, don't step on the scales, don't look at your weight, you are not your weight. Well, that helped me personally. So the combination of steps that I took were unique for me, and some of them were really big cliches that a lot of people know, and some of them were really simple, like calories in, calories out, and some were just so specific that you're like, I never really thought about it like that. And that combination, that powerful combination of all three, is what is going to blow your channel, your videos up. It's that specific experience that you have had, you sharing your journey, you talking about what specifically you went through and what you did to achieve that thing and why it worked for you. So the way to blow up on YouTube, or at least in my opinion, the easiest way, because of course there's prank channels and entertainment and travel vlogs and all of that amazing stuff that we all love to watch. But this is for the people that truly want to help people or are just starting out. YouTube next to Google is the biggest search engine in the whole entire world. That's the reason why I made my whole life's career out of videography and video and moving pictures, because I'm a very visual person, and I believe that the video format is the most powerful way of showing someone else's perspective or showing someone's instructions. There's just something powerful in the combination of audio and video and pictures and graphics and all of that all into one, into a video format. So I have catched myself on, multiple times throughout the years, instead of Googling something, I would go straight to YouTube, no matter, how simple or no matter how kind of quick and easy it is. And I bet you that most people are also like that. So all of the YouTubers say, pick a topic that you're really passionate in. And while that is honestly a very important part of being a YouTuber, it's also very important to pick a topic that a lot of people are going to want to know about. So in my case, weight loss. Millions of people on this planet want to know how to lose weight. Sit down with yourself without a computer, without a phone, and just go within and think, what was truly a topic that I went through and it truly just helped me so much, my journey and the specific steps that I took. And you can introduce books, you can introduce people that helped you along your way, but it is your specific perspective and your journey through how you went there is what is the golden nugget of your channel. I never really kind of got where I am today until I truly went within and I understood what was needed for me. There was trials, there was turbulations. Of course, I went through one step kind of blog post and I followed all of their steps, and then I went to another YouTubers and I followed all of their steps, and I collected all of this information over, you know, the summation of a couple of years, and I was able to become kind of a master in my own personal regard, in my own personal life, of how I specifically should lose weight. And I bet you that other people are going to take so much value out of that, and they may be very similar personality wise, or they went through the same experiences, and they may follow your steps and that may work for them. And just knowing that you've made a difference in the world of someone else is truly just a beautiful thing in my personal opinion. So in conclusion, I truly believe that the number one way to blow up on YouTube is to truly go within yourself and think of the journey that you took to, you know, achieve something that other people are looking to fix within themselves or within their lives. And while a lot of YouTubers, and I think maybe 100% of YouTubers, say that you must find a niche in order to grow and thrive on YouTube, I don't think that's the case at all. I think that maybe it could help your channel if that's what you were going into, but you need to ask that question yourself. I don't think that you have to do it. For me, I can't just stick to one topic because I'm a three-dimensional person and I want to help as much as I can in every single aspect. So that's personally me, and I think that you can grow and thrive through that because people are subscribing to you and your personality and your perspective and your way of doing things. So that was my take on how to blow up on YouTube. I think that that is the most important way to blow up on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this one. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification and like this video. I love you guys so much and I'm so grateful for everyone being here. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.